If you are a person who is constantly working, studying, taking care of children, or are involved in any lifestyle that you feel is draining you of your energy, then making a change in your diet will be beneficial for you. Doctors and nurses who work for long periods of time and atypical hours can find themselves physically and mentally drained for days after a grueling shift. Entrepreneurs, executives, and people who commit themselves fully to their projects and passions can find themselves unable to think clearly or work effectively. Busy professionals and people who frequently travel for work can find themselves in clouds of brain fog that prevent them from being on when they need to be. Even full-time or new parents who are adjusting to this non-stop minimal sleep life can experience utter exhaustion to the point where they can't properly care for their children. Students also can find themselves burnt out from the pressure and demands of their education programs. Whatever the reason for the fatigue is, a new, specialized diet aimed at promoting wakefulness, energy, and cognitive performance is crucial to you functioning at your best, which really is the end goal. The fact is, for most people, fatigue leads to poor diet, which leads to more fatigue. It is a cycle that so many of us are trapped in and too few of us realize. When you come home from working long hours, the last thing you have the energy for is cooking a healthy, balanced meal. If you're like most people, you'll probably just reach for the simplest and easiest thing to satiate your hunger, like a frozen TV dinner. When you're traveling for work, your options are frequently limited to airport food courts, fast food restaurants, and hotel breakfasts and vending machines. Most of the young parents that I know have diets that consist primarily of their kids' leftovers, which are shoveled into their mouths frantically over the kitchen sink before bath time. These options are, let's just say, suboptimal. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to go from suboptimal to optimal.